It is not your average Myrm. It's like gonna wreck my face. Why are you worried about it? You probably wreck me. It's up to you, man. You'll slide. All right. All right. Let's see what's up. We got a 1v1 versus this Myrm. Let's see what's up. Probably get wrecked, man. I don't know. He said it's not your average Myrm, man. So let's see what's up. Let's see what's up. I don't have an active tank, dude. So unless I can, we should load fusion. Get our warriors out. Thanks for bringing the fight, man. I'll probably get wrecked here, dudes. Death touch. Death touch. So what does he have? A Nos and a Newt? What kind of Myrmidon is this? So I have range dictation, right? Is this a shield Myrmidon, dude? All right. Is this really a shield Myrmidon, dude? This is how you beat a Myrmidon, guys. I'm just pummeling him, right? We can bounce drones all day, dude. I don't give a fuck if he shoots my drones. We're just wasting his fucking time while I fucking pummel him. Nah, I have my heat turned off, Laurel. We need to get him past like right around here before we turn heat. We're gonna put a tiny bit of heat on here, dude. Let's see if we can break his fucking passive regen. We really just need to get him past down here, dude. We have 59%, dude. I don't have that much more heat, dude. Which is fucking unfortunate, but I really need to get him past. He might have me, dudes. It's gonna be close, man. It's gonna be fucking close. How much heat do I have left? Not a lot, man. I should have not wasted my heat. I need like 2 cycles of heat on this guy. I need like 2 cycles of heat, dude. Please don't burn my fucking guns. All right. I don't have enough heat, dude. And he might have me, man. He might have me, dude. Oh, it's so fucking close, man. It's so fucking close, dude. So fucking close. This is a fucking great fight, dude. This is a great fight, man. It's so fucking close. We might have him, though, man. I really need heat on my gun, but I don't have enough heat, dude. I mean, he's already passed his optimal fucking whatever, dude. So we're gonna try to kill his fucking... It's so close, man. But I think I have him, dude. I think I fucking have him. I think I have him, man. I think I have him, dude. I think I have him, dude. I think I have him, bro. GF, bro. GF, dude. GF, man. Dude, that fight was fucking fantastic, bro. Fucking fantastic, man. That was I honestly didn't know I was gonna win until like the very. I just needed to get him past 30 fucking percent. You know what I'm saying? I made a mistake. I did good by switching ammo there, but I made a mistake by overheating when I didn't before I recognized that. Like if I had kept my heat, if I didn't have any heat on my turrets, dude, and I just had it, GF, bro, GF, man. Thank you, man. Thank you for bringing that fight, dude. That was fucking amazing, dude. Fucking fantastic, man. That was a good fight, bro. If I had saved my heat till the end, that would not have been an issue. But I didn't really understand that he was what's it called? Shield tank Myrmidon, dude. We'll look at that fit here in a second, man. We're gonna loot this guy. That was won by Cat Battle. Well, let's look at his fit. You're probably right. GF, man. That was fucking sick, dude. That was sick, man. Thank you for bringing that fight, bro. Thank you for bringing that fight, dude. We'll look at that fight in just a second, dudes. All right, we can just grab pretty much everything in here. Right? I was just grabbing the most expensive shit first, dude. All right, the rest of it we can just take. That was a good fight, dude. Thank you, man.
Warp drive active.
Cap ran dry. All right, let's look at this guy's fit. It's actually a good fit, man. I've never seen something like that. It's good shit, man. Good shit, dude. That's an expensive Myrmidon, dude. That's an expensive Myrmidon, dude. I'll give you 100 mil, dude. I'm not fucking huge balling, but there's 100 mil, dude. Thanks for that fight, bro. I should recoup some of that, man. I got most of your loot, but I'll just send you 100 mil in exchange for that, dude. Thank you, man. I'm back. What's up, Waffles, dude? Appreciate it. No, I appreciate you bringing a sick fight, dude. Thank you, man.